Cinnamomum verum is the scientific name of cinnamon tree, guys. And here with me is this wonderful tree that I got from nursery, and it's already inside a pot, but it's in a nursery clay soil. So उसको अभी remove करना पड़ेगा. This is the first time that we'll be working on cinnamon tree. इसको दालचीनी भी जाना जाता है commonly in India. So दालचीनी ट्री के ऊपर काम चालू करेंगे here only on Thriller Bonsai, guys. Keep watching. So guys, that's दालचीनी और cinnamon tree with us, and it's already inside a pot. आप देख सकते हो, मुझे ऐसे ही मिला नर्सरी से. And I'll show you how the foliage is. Lots of new shoots coming up on top. You can see them coming from here. So that's good. Let's start working on this tree now. सबसे पहले we'll have to remove it from the nursery pot. So just इसको मैं पकड़ूंगा and I'll just try to press it from all sides ताकि वो थोड़ा लूज हो जाएगा. And then just try to remove it. Either ways, you can use this particular tool to dislocate the soil from the edges. So off comes this tree. Now we need to remove the nursery soil क्योंकि ये soil जो रहता है well draining नहीं होता है. So long run के लिए it's not good for the tree, and bonsai trees definitely we have to keep for years and years. So वो healthy रखने बहुत important है. So उसके लिए we'll have to first remove the nursery soil. So I'm using my tool root rake to remove the soil, and I'm doing that very slowly, as you can see, because we don't want to damage the roots. And as I'm doing this, I'm getting the smell of dalchini or cinnamon. It's a very strong smell. So you can remove it from bottom as well. ये हाथ से रिमूव करने की कोशिश मत कीजिए बिकॉज दैट विल डैमेज द रूट्स मोर. सो दैट्स वाई इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू यूज सच टूल्स लाइक रूट रेक. सो वी हैव टू इंश्योर कि रूट्स डैमेज ना हो, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट केयरफुली रिमूविंग द सॉइल. यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज सम अदर सॉइल इनसाइड. सो बाहर की तरफ वी हैव दिस garden soil, but under we have some other soil. So I see some roots breaking up. So I think I should be washing this in water because the soil is somewhat hard here. You can see it's not coming out that easily. So अगर हम लोग इसको पानी में डिप करेंगे तो शायद the soil और easily निकल जाए. ठीक है, जितना हो सके उतना we'll try and then we'll put it in water then. So guys, I've got a bucket of water and I'm just going to dip this tree inside ताकि ये wet हो जाए and easily निकल जाए soil. So let's try that out. You can see bubbles coming out. So guys, we have now washed the roots nicely. अभी एक फ्रेश वाटर में एक बार डिप करते हैं इनको. So I have some fresh water here with me. I'm just going to dip it just to make them fully clean. So guys, that's how you should remove the soil without damaging the roots. अब देख सकते हो all the fibrous roots are intact now and we should be ready to get it planted. There is no tap root as such जिसको हम लोग को prune करना है. So we don't have any tap root. अगर tap root रहेगा तो definitely we'll have to remove it because bonsai में first step is to remove the tap root. But we don't have any such here, so I think we can directly plant it. So guys, I'll be using this brand new orange pot, square bonsai plastic pot from V Green, 9-inch wala, and here we have the beautiful Dalchini tree. We'll be planting it something like this guys, ऐसे. It's looking very good, isn't it? बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रहा है. With the root base, you can see. Now we have to decide upfront for this tree. How should we plant it? Let's see. We have a lot of branches, so we want to make the branches visible from side. Okay, ऐसे रखेंगे तो the lower branches are eye poking ones, so we don't want. Lower branches में देख रहा हूँ, they should be sideways visible. तो ऐसे रख सकते हैं इसको slightly ऐसा sideways because it's growing up on tall. So इसको center में align कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So that's why we have to keep it sideways थोड़ा सा ऐसे, या फिर ऐसे भी लगा सकते हैं. Something like this would make a very good front for this tree, I think. Here we will do that. First of all, we'll see if किसी root को prune करने की ज़रूरत है क्या. I'll just try to spread them out in a radial way, and if we find any crossing roots, then we have to sort them out. Okay. तो ऐसे स्प्रेड आउट करना है रूट्स को पॉट की बाहर की तरफ. सारे रूट्स ऐसे स्प्रेड आउट करने हैं. ओके. एंड इसके बाद जितने भी रूट्स बाहर जा रहे हैं मतलब पॉट के बाहर, दैट वी विल हैव टू प्रून. So we'll do that just like this. जो रूट्स बाहर जा रहे हैं पॉट के, we will prune them off. ऐसे यहाँ पे भी है, तो भी थोड़ा सा प्रून करेंगे. And we have some one more root on this side. Growing too long. Definitely इसको भी थोड़ा सा प्रून होगा. ऐसे. So here we go. नीचे एक रूट है जो strong grow कर रहा है. Maybe that one I'll prune it off a little bit. So मैं इसकी बात कर रहा था, ये जो रूट है नीचे. So I'll prune that one off a little bit. ऐसे. So I think we are good now to plant it. ऐसे ही लगा देंगे इसको. So we'll put some bonsai soil, a layer of bonsai soil below. Then we'll place the tree. Again, we have to ensure that all the roots are growing radially outwards. नहीं तो बाद में जाके टैंगल हो जाएंगे, इसलिए. I think I should be pruning a little bit of top portion of this tree because इसका I want to keep it as straight. मुझे ऐसा sideways नहीं रखना है. It doesn't look good. मुझे straight रखना है इसको. And if I keep it straight, balance नहीं होगा because weight is more here. बहुत ज़्यादा weight है ये branch का. इस branch को I have decided to prune it because I want to plant it straight in this spot. तो चलिए वो करते हैं. This is the strongest branch anyways. So we'll have to prune it somewhere. I'll decide a spot. I'll leave outward facing leaf. Yeah, in fact वहाँ पे branch भी निकल रही है. So I'll just prune it above that, just like this, because यहाँ से you can see the branch coming out anyways. So I'll prune it right over here. So off comes the top portion, and I can get that smell of cinnamon, very strong smell from the bark straight away. So here we go. Now we look at the root base. We can place it straight now in the pot. Definitely it will stay nicely. Lower branches कितने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं ऐसे sideways निकलते हो. Okay, I think we are good now. एक बार check करते हैं सब side से how it is looking. Just very fine. It should be in the center of the pot, not just in the center, but also it should not be tilted. Should be fine, I think. So चलिए और थोड़ा अभी soil ऐड करते हैं इसमें. So bonsai soil I use normally inorganic material like perlite and bit of gravel. So मेरा आप वीडियो चेक कर सकते हो how to make your own bonsai soil, and you can also make it at your home. It's very easy process and it's not that expensive as well. 1250 का परलाइट आता है, 1250 का ग्रेवल आता है, 20 किलो ग्रेवल आता है. सो जस्ट चेक कर रहा हूँ मैं. इट इन द सेंटर. थोड़ा सा इस साइड में मूव करता हूँ हल्का सा. यस, नाउ आई थिंक इट्स लुकिंग गुड. या शुड बी ओके नाउ. सॉइल ऐड कर सकते हैं अभी. So now it's time to remove the air pockets. There we go, guys. We have successfully planted दालचीनी tree or cinnamon tree. This is the final look of the tree. इसको अभी हम लोग थोड़ा वाटरिंग करेंगे and then we'll allow it to recover. इसके अपडेट्स अपकमिंग वीडियोस में आपको ज़रूर मिलेंगे. So guys, that's all for today from myself Varun here on Thriller Bonsai. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो as always make sure to like this particular video, share it with your friends and family, and always keep subscribed to Thriller Bonsai and keep watching our videos. And maybe you can check out some of our recent uploads as well. And don't forget to stay healthy, stay fit. Goodbye and have a very good day.